So, I've got a document pulled up that I'm going to read into the video. It is titled the Pro Se Discovery Protective Affidavit, and it is side by side with a basically a certificate of avoidance of the ex parte communication. The theory being, if you communicate with the judge, you have to communicate with the opposing party. So the certificate of service, I serve the foregoing petitioner's ex parte motion for protective order with form of order and supporting declaration on respondent's attorney of record. And that would be filed with the court. And that would be a part of the larger affidavit. The pro se discovery protective affidavit would say in the circuit court the petitioner's declaration in support of motion for protective order. State of blank, county of blank. My name is blank, and I am a petitioner in this matter. I'm asking the court to issue a permanent stalking protective order in the above referenced matter because respondent has subjected me to a repeated and unwanted contact as detailed in petition for stalking order dated or law enforcement citation dated. These contacts have been profoundly alarming to me, and I am very much afraid for my personal safety. A merits hearing in this matter has been set for. Respondent's counsel has served me with notice, directing me to appear in counsel's office for deposition on blank blank. I do not have the money to retain an attorney in this matter, and I respectfully believe that taking my deposition would serve no purpose except to harass, embarrass, and inconvenience me. As noted above, I am afraid of respondent and fear that information taken in my deposition could be misused by him to place me and those I care about in even greater danger. I would like the stalking to end. Thank you. I hereby declare that the above statement is true to the best of my knowledge and belief, and that I understand it is made for use as evidence in court and is subject to penalty for perjury. You are required truthfully to complete the certificate regarding the document you are filing with the court. Check all boxes. I selected this document for myself and I completed it without paid assistance. I was provided this document by an attorney at no cost to me. And just signature and address. So this is the protective order within the protective order, which would move for a finalization of the stalking protective order and basically cast aside the overzealous attorney's attempt to invasively harass, depose, or, I'm not sure if how and if and why they could subpoena without even a meeting. So I would think that we should have a hearing first, and if something needs to be postponed, finalization, it seems to be past the point of logic to create this long engaged process. So this tries to sort of swiftly deal with it. The petitioner's declaration in support of a motion for protective order. So this is the protective order to bar the invasive discovery. That's what I'm getting out of it.